Are you eating a cookie?
This is Adelaide's first Christmas cookie.
Ooh! Does it have frosting and sprinkles?
And one of her first cookies ever to eat all by herself. We're unsure of the long-term effects of this sugary treat, but she seems to be enjoying it so far. All the frosting is gone, and she's just realized that there's actually a crunchy cookie underneath.
Yes, she ate the frosting off first.
Allie, do you like cookies?
Say cookie. Adelaide. Say cookie.
Cookie.
Good.
Allie, would you rather have cookies or broccoli? Cookies? Would you rather have cookies or rice?
Rice.
Rice.
Whatever you say second, she'll remember and say that.
Would you rather have a kitty or cookies?
Adelaide, do you love Mama and Dada?
Or cookies?
Cookie? Cookie, cookie? Should we go get you in the tub after this?
No.
No?
What exactly are you doing with that cup? Oh, are you talking to it? You say, hello! You want me to give it to you? Are you good with your precious there?
Is Daddy being funny? Adelaide. Is he being funny? Oh, are you
Where'd
coming?
you go?
Oh, where's Adelaide? Where'd she go?
Peekaboo! Where's Adelaide? I can't find her. Where's Peekaboo?
Adelaide, look at the camera and say cheese. Can you do it for Mom? Say cheese. Did you get frosting on your hand?
That side. Mm-hmm. Finish that cookie. Cookie? Yeah. No, you gonna tell me all about it?
I love how slow she's eating it. She's just really enjoying it, taking her time.
Would not be ladylike to just choke it down. It does, however, seem ladylike to throw her cup on the floor all the time, but... Who's there?